Water is life. Without it, none is possible. But with it, anything is possible. The issue with climate as it changes is that we sometimes have less water than we have had in the past with drought, and sometimes we have too much with floods. This goes back to our Victorian engineering of really looking at the water system as a line. We take water upstream, we use it midstream, and we flush it down as fast as we can. If you like, it's a flat line. Certainly, as our climate changes, it's exposing these flaws. Now, natural ecosystems don't work that way. They work in a circular fashion. They take the water, they preserve it, they clean it, they use it, and they use it again, like the humble water lily. Its ability to clean even the muckiest pond is quite incredible. Turn it into a pristine body of water teeming with life. So what if we could do that ourselves in industry? What if we could recirculate and recycle more and more water? My name's Andrew Walker. I'm the CMO of Evove, and we're here to filter the unfilterable with advanced membrane technologies that do exactly that, turn a line into a circle. And they're at work already around the globe, for example, in breweries like this one. In this case, recycling caustic wash, which is used to sanitize the brewery vessels and the wort lines. The issue there is that that caustic wash, once it's used, is discharged quite frequently to a sewage works for specialist treatment. So, with AB InBev, we were very fortunate to be in Johannesburg at the Al Road Brewery to try and install a pilot that would turn the line into a circle. Here's Tom on the left, one of our PhD experts, with Rikus, who was a fantastic partner in Johannesburg from ABI on the technical side, with our pilot. What were the results? Well, we were able to successfully meet all of our objectives, which included recycling the equivalent per year of 25 million liters of water, 6.6 million US gallons, 10 Olympic swimming pools, or reduce the amount of chemicals in this caustic by 35 truckloads, or energy, reducing the energy equivalent to 84 houses every year in the one brewery. That's a carbon footprint equivalent of flying between London and New York 200 times. And we're really happy that 3 breweries from AB InBev in the Africa zone have put one of our systems in their budget for 2024. So we're hoping we're going to get an order or 2 or 3 from that. If you scale it up to 200 breweries within the ABI network, you get water savings equivalent to 5 billion liters, energy savings equivalent to the town of Kingston, which everybody knows was the original state capital of New York. All the inhabitants up here would have enough energy to provide for them. And we did a second pilot at a subsidiary of Coca-Cola, Fairlife, where we were working, here's Tom again with the team, working within dairy processing to increase the productivity. Also, a fantastic trial in Chicago. How do we do this? Well, if you look at a membrane before Evove, this is what it looks like. It's quite deficient in the pore sizes, small, big, very difficult to filter precisely with. With Evove, however, this is what a membrane looks like. Absolutely homogeneous, and it's bespoke to certain applications. And we have a world premiere here today. I'm very delighted to have an industrial prototype of an entirely 3D printed ceramic membrane. This is a super performance membrane. It looks small, and it should be small, but this is really, really exciting. There's nothing like this in the whole world, and we've made this. Very looking forward to trialing this soon with you guys. We work with key players in a variety of sectors, with the world's largest lithium company in Chile, with the world's largest desalinator in Saudi Arabia, etc. And we're really keen to deploy these technologies around the world. So if you're an industrial producer, let's filter the unfilterable together. If you're an investor, help us scale up this and make it accessible to everyone. The whole Evove team really thanks you, and our children will too.